skinheads. Perfect.
Do you think you're funny?
What happened?
Looking for another slap, are you?
Looking for another slap?
Which one of you bitches wants to dance? Hey, you know when you're doing the usual sort of threesome thing you do of a weekend, you know, and the moonlight's bouncing off your heads and your arses and everything, does that not get a bit confusing? Right. Look, this is you, okay? Millwall, that's the one. Do you know this chant? Millwall, Millwall, you're all really dreadful, and all your girlfriends are unfulfilled and alienated